Here's how I record my videos. I use this software you see, OBS it's called. So to download it, you go to this website, choose your platform and run it, and then once it's installed, I'll explain all of these, so don't worry about this because that won't be there by default. You can get plugins for this. So you can use audio input captures to capture things like a microphone, audio output captures to capture things like just the sound from like headphones and different things. A browser for a browser link as a pop-up on here. A colour source which is just a colour, block of colour. Display capture to capture the whole display where you move around everything. Game captures capture a game. Just an image. Slideshow of images. Different types of files. A new scene like these so you can switch between them to have different things like that. Text like a webcam. And capture a specific window. To change the resolution, go to settings. Video. And have it to whatever you want. This is mine. I can't change it because I'm recording right now. You can also make hotkeys and stream. And I recommend going to output and changing recording format to MP4. So I would normally have this set up. Ignore display capture. I have to use that to record this right now. But I have Discord, so if I'm playing with friends I can record their voice. But remember, I have a plugin so I can record specific applications. But this it only works with the plugin I have. You can't do that automatically. I don't think. This one's meant to be just for Firefox. Yep, so record my browser audio if needed. My game sound, so the sound of the game I'm playing, probably Minecraft. Just for if I'm streaming, I can have my chat. It's not going to come up right now, but yeah, I'd have my chat like that. And I've got this to capture Firefox. This is my game, and here's like a border